Hi, it's Greg here, and it's that time of the month again when we give away a prize in our monthly giveaway. And this month we're giving away this Flip Ultra HD camcorder. It's a pretty cool prize this month. And we had a total of 24 entries this month. So as usual, I just give them a quick read through as I put them in the draw. It won't take long. We've got Mark Nichols, Zach, Elaine Huckstep, Callum Morrison, Emma Austin, Jay Barton, Simon Carter, Sandy Stutchfield, Phil Otton, Dan Smith, Janine Bedford, Philippa Davies, previous winner, won a skateboard, Nikki Hodgson, Luke Dewey, Dino Smith, Max Castle, Matthew, Christopher Jones, Debbie Carter, Connor Mark Lander, Sarah Hardy, Matthew Curtis, Trevor Stretch and Phil Weinberg. Okay, so that's all 24 entries. I'll just give them a quick spin, mix them up a bit. That should do it. Okay, quick rummage. And the winner of the Flip Ultra camcorder is Callum Morrison. I don't know if you can see that or not, Callum Morrison. So well done to Callum. I'll get in touch with him now and get it sent off. And for next month's prize, we've got something a little bit different, but hopefully it'll be quite good fun as well. We've got this unicycle. So something a little bit different there. Believe me, it's pretty difficult to ride because I've got one myself, but it's good fun as well. Just wear shin pads, I would suggest. Okay, we're going to do something a bit different this month to win that unicycle. Basically, the person that gets the most referrals on the site is going to win it. So, you know, we're trying to get more members on the site, which makes it more fun for everyone. More members that are on there, so I thought we'd try this so you can see at any point who's in the lead. I'll post on the site who's got the most referrals. All you've got to do is tell your friends to check out the site, and when they sign up, get them to enter your alter ego as their referrer, and you'll be able to see on the leaderboards how many referrals you've got, how many referrals everyone else has got. If you look in the competition referrals column, it's pretty clear in there who's got however many referrals. And like I say, at the end of the month, the person with the most referrals to the site will win the unicycle. Obviously, if there's a tie for referrals, I'll put all the names that are tied in the box and we'll have a draw. If everyone gets one referral on the site, obviously I'll put them all in the box and we'll do the draw as normal, but if there's a clear winner, they'll get the unicycle. So good luck, and let's get all your friends on the site. That's it for this month. See you next month.